How to turn off predictive test and auto replace on Samsung. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in this guide video I will show you how you can turn off prediction and auto replace on your Samsung device. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, then make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first and foremost, the issue over here is that this is actually my Galaxy S20 Plus, and let's say that you want to turn off auto replace and you also want to turn off auto prediction. Then in that case, what you have to do is simply start by launching the settings app on your Samsung smartphone. Once you've launched the settings app, on the list of all these options, you want to go ahead and simply locate the option which says general management. As you can see, as over here, you can find the option general management. Simply select it. As you tap on general management, you'll be able to see a bunch of various options over here. In this case, what you have to do is you have this option which says Samsung keyboard settings. All you have to do is select it. In order to first of all turn off predictive text, you have to simply turn off this toggle at the very top which is predictive text. So simply turn this toggle off. The other thing is that if you want to turn off auto correction or auto replace, you can find this option which is auto replace. Select it as in this case, and then you have to simply turn off this toggle as well. Now keep in mind that if you turn off predictive text in the first place, the auto replace is also going to be disabled by default. So what you could do is you could turn off auto replace manually, and then you could come back and then again turn off predictive text. If you want, you could go ahead and turn off suggested emojis, turn off suggested stickers, and so on while typing. And this is how you can very easily turn off predictive text and auto replace on Samsung smartphones. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.